Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Palworld on create session was false error. It's quite easy fix, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to completely restart your game. Just quit the game and start it again. And then once you do that, then select the world that you're getting error. And then you need to press on the change world settings and then try multiplayer on, okay? And then you need to look if the problem persists or not, and still if the problem persists, then make it to off and look if the world is working for you or not. And if the world is not working, let's say this one is not working, what you need to do here is to create a new world. And after you create a new world, after you select your character and all the stuff here, go back to the world that you're getting error from and then try to start it, and it should work. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.